LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the video you're about to watch is our default installation guide for your laptop part. We're working diligently to create a custom video installation guide for your exact laptop model. Until production has been completed for your exact laptop model, please watch our general installation guide, which will provide valuable information to help you install your new laptop part. Turn the laptop over. Remove the screw. Remove the cover. Gently pry out the hard drive. We will now install the new hard drive. Place the screws back in. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.